Hello everyone, it's Fine Steady, and today we're going to be talking about the best coins to buy for May 2021. Let's get right into it. Let's start with the first one, which is Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin is the big daddy coin of them all. It's got the most mainstream adoption. It's got governments coming behind it. It's got large institutional money coming behind it. It's basically got much reduced volatility compared to before, and basically the only way for Bitcoin is up. Because even if there is a correction, well, all the whales start buying on the way down. And we had a very, very scary pattern forming on the Bitcoin chart, which might have taken us into a bear market. However, this Wyckoff distribution, thankfully, has just been almost fully invalidated. As you see here, if you watch my previous videos, we broke above the support lines right here and are right now retesting the support. If we break again above this 58,000 US dollar level mark, 58,500, well, then we are in the clear and Bitcoin will continue going on its bull run, which I think would take us to the 1.618 Fibonacci level, which would be approximately 76,500 US dollars. That's my price prediction for Bitcoin, which is a measured price move from where we are now of approximately 30%. Now let's move on to the next one, which is Ethereum and Cardano. Ethereum and Cardano both have actual use cases in the crypto market. You can make smart contracts with them. And what we see now, especially with Ethereum, is that companies are actually starting to experiment with using the Ethereum smart contract functionality. So that's why we now see Ethereum price going back up, because all of these companies are like, hey, we can actually do some cool stuff on Ethereum. Let's actually put some serious money behind it, start experimenting on the network, and see how much of the derivatives market we can start to put over here. As an example, the European Central Bank issued about 100 million euros in bonds on the Ethereum network. So that just goes to show you that it's getting as well mainstream adoption. And because Ethereum actually has the functionality to advance the entire finance world into, well, the current century, because we are still like 50 years behind where our technological capabilities are. That's why I'm extremely bullish on Ethereum, and we are seeing new all-time highs every day for Ethereum. Well, right now, there's nothing in the charts. And if we once again take the Fibonacci retracement levels, we could be going all the way to approximately $3,000 in the very, very short term. As you can see here, all of my pattern calls have broken out successfully on Ethereum. We did have this W breakout. We had another big W breakout here. Well, guys, if we were to continue going up on Ethereum, that's approximately another, well, about 10%, 9% increase on Ethereum. But on Cardano, which is one of the biggest competitors to Ethereum, they are actually a little bit better technologically in the long run, but really they're neck and neck. And I do think that Cardano is going to gain market share compared to Ethereum, just because Cardano has a little bit lower fees, which means that anyone who wants to experiment on the network will be incentivized to do that on Cardano more and more. And as you can see here, once again, I had a pretty good call. Let's not get into it right now, but basically we should be seeing prices around the 1.5 US dollars for Cardano in the very short term, which is a rise of about 11 to 12%. Now, next on the list, I want to talk about Binance Coin. And Binance Coin is an absolutely amazing project. Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, okay? So if you're bullish on cryptocurrencies, well, you have to be bullish on Binance, because anybody who wants to convert their fiat money into cryptocurrencies or convert their cryptocurrencies into other cryptocurrencies like altcoins, well, guess who benefits the most from that? Well, obviously the biggest exchange in the world, which is Binance. Binance does approximately 10 times more in dollar amount traded than Coinbase. So if you're bullish on Binance, I would say you should be very bullish on Binance Coin. And once again, I had an almost perfect call here, and we have exactly hit our price target of around $623. So just like Ethereum, we're really just waiting to see what the next move is for Binance Coin and waiting to see something on the charts. And one big catalyst that we will see for Binance Coin in the very short term is that in June, Binance is going to come out with its own NFT marketplace, which could be a catalyst for a further move towards the upside for Binance Coins. So since there's no actual pattern on the chart right now, we can try to see the Fibonacci retracement levels and look for the 1.618 level, which would be 768 US dollars, which would represent a further price move from where we are now of approximately 23%. I should also mention that Binance also has smart chain capabilities, launchpad capabilities, so Binance Coin is also like a mega coin that kind of does absolutely everything through it's being assisted by the Binance website. Now, next on the list, I want to talk about XRP, because XRP is basically a play into saying, hey, all right, decentralized cryptocurrencies are great. Decentralized finance is the way of the future. Well, this XRP is kind of a play that says, are governments really going to give up total control of their currencies, or are they going to try and maintain some control over it? Well, they're going to try and maintain some control over it at least. And one way they can do that is through the XRP token. Now, what the company Ripple is trying to do with its XRP token is, and they are successfully doing it, there's many banks that have already adopted their technology and uses it 24/7. Well, what XRP does is it increases the transaction speeds for bank transfers. So if you're in Europe, you usually use what's called a SWIFT transfer. If you're in the US, you might know an ACH transfer. But basically, these can sometimes be instant, sometimes take 5 minutes, sometimes take a whole week to actually get to their destination. And that's because in order to send the money, you need to send it through a bank who has a connection with another bank who has a connection with another bank who has a connection to your destination bank. And along the way, everybody is taking a little cut of that fee as well, right? For processing your money onto the next destination point. What XRP does is say, hey, we're just going to provide one medium of exchange. So you link onto the Ripple net, and that means that now any other bank who connects onto the Ripple net has kind of a direct way to transfer money to you directly using XRP transfer rates. So that's basically what XRP is trying to do. They want to make bank transfers basically instant instead of taking many days, sometimes even weeks if it's a very international transfer, and they want to reduce fees to basically almost irrelevant amounts. And guys, well, XRP has been seeing a very, very good couple of days recently. If we go back all the way to the beginning of April, really is when this pump started, well, we are up almost 330% on XRP. And now you could make an argument that there's a bit of a head and shoulders pattern happening here on XRP, which is actually a pretty good argument. And you see as well that we did have a breakout supported by volume, but I'm a little bit hesitant here. All right, you know what? I'll give you the price target anyway. Just bear in mind that I'm hesitant here from the base of the pattern, which is basically here. I see the most touch points, to the head of the pattern, which is over here. On the breakout, approximately here, well, that would take us to just over $2 per XRP, according to this price target. But an even more bullish one would be to simply take the Fibonacci retracement levels and look at the 1.618 ratio, which would take us to 2.65 US dollars, which, if you want to see how much of a measured price move each one of those two are, well, the $2 price target is a 33% price move, and a 2.65 US dollar price target is a move of almost 70%. And guys, last but not least, I want to talk about Coinbase stock. Once again, just like with Binance Coin, Coinbase is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange platforms in the world. And if you look back at my Coinbase IPO videos, we came up with a fair valuation between like 450 to 600 US dollars, and it's currently trading for 300 US dollars. So if you were to take 450, which is like my most conservative estimate, versus 300 US dollars, well, you see that that's approximately a 50% gain from where we are now. And I do think Coinbase has a very, very bright future ahead of it and is trading actually for a discount, believe it or not. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to buy any of these coins, go ahead and sign up with my Binance link down below and get a bonus. Please, somebody use the link so that I know how much bonus you guys are getting. I think it's up to 10%, which is pretty nice. And I really like Binance. I think it's just a great platform to use. So go ahead, and if you need a place to buy these cryptocurrencies and you've done your own financial research, as always, this is not financial advice, please check everything out for yourself, then you might as well go ahead and use that sign up link. I get a bonus, you get a bonus. Everybody's happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got smarter with me today and you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And guys, if you think that more people should see this, go ahead and hit that like button, because then YouTube knows, hey, this is a good video. Let's push it out to more people. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!